Hmm. Used to go here, watching for this to go pretty quickly here. Nope. Come on, brother. Don't do this. Don't do this. Jeez, man. Try to get out of the 30s, but it didn't work. This one coming down here to this gap, 770. Would you get it down there, 770? We'll see. It's a big gap. A lot of space to cover. Let me see how all this is going to dip. Might take smaller size. This could jump $1 or flush $1. We'll see. Very jumpy. Retest. Looking for a retest. Looking for a retest. Hmm. Considering this dip here, touch that gap 2 times, touch this gap. We'll see, we'll see. Is this actually gonna hold? If it holds, it could actually be a good setup. Went down to 30/20s on the previous candle. So this gap right here is from 67 to 30. Very nice. Mm, very nice, very nice. Clean. Let's see. 9. Ooh, dropping. So could we see a drop down here? $770. Well, look to be a good bounce. Didn't work. So let's see if we can get another dip down here. 690 being that stop all the way down there, but let's see. 45. 200 at 45. Below that was 710. 45 is a bit high. 50. 45 is a bit high, but it looks like I'm gonna keep it break even here. Roughly around break even. There's a lot of buying there. Nice. We can reclaim 60s. If we come back down to 45, I gotta get out. Have to get out. Out, out, out. 43. Not quite. I will try it again though. A little lower. Wish I tried it 17. Went as low as 710. Dang. So let's see here. Dip. Looks like it's actually going. The issue is this is a big gap, and what I could do, I mean, just because it's pre-market, I'm using one order, but I could split that into a couple orders just to grab this area here because I like this area a lot. Very nice area. So hopefully we get maybe a retest of the lows. Thirties. Might get in here again. Let's see. I'll get in here again. 25. Hopefully it's not gonna die out here on me. Don't die out on me, brother. Only 200 shares. Yeah, this is not great. This is not looking too good for me. But hopefully we see a bounce here. I mean, that stop, as long as it's kind of respecting that gap, maybe red gap being formed. This is too much risk here. It's too much risk Cutting it out. Too much risk there, right at 7. It's gonna go to my stop. Okay, whatever. Too much risk. Maybe I got it sized down. Does end up working. Maybe I jumped in a little too early on that. Ah, not great. The gap is valid. The gap is valid. Goes above 20 now. All right. We butchered the lows a couple times. I think if I can get a dip around this area, 750s, I think this stock's still in play. Watching. Watching for a bounce. Wow, it just has so much volume coming in through here. My goodness. Hmm. My goodness, what volume just came in through there. What amount of volume. So what I would do here is try, I mean, this is kind of a resistance here, clear resistance, but we could break it. So I want to see a dip here. Dip. 830s is that low? How well are you going to hold here? This is going to be a risky trade, but this has the opportunity to really fly out, take off. So you're going to be looking for a nice dip into the gap one more time. But this time, I think we're going to, I know we have a red gap here, but the amount of volume that came through, I think we're going to get a nice dip. Let's see. 3 seconds. So 9 to 830, it's a big gap. So we want to see it under 9. Get in and watch it reclaim 9, otherwise we have to stop out. There it is. Okay. Watching it, watching it, watching it. Not getting in too early this time. How far is the dip going to be? Hmm. Mm-hmm. No, 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 sir. No, sir. There it is. 845. Ooh. Um, A little too early, and I'm gonna get smoked here. Hopefully not. Hopefully we get a good bounce here. Out 17. Okay, I'll take it off 17, 18, because I just got destroyed on that drop. So we are basically at max loss really early. Watching here, under shares. I want to see how the algos respond here at these lows. Looking very good. We might see another bounce. Just waiting for that price action to flip. The low being 7. So might reattempt a break of 7. Still waiting, being patient. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 trades already. And I was not able to catch it. Oh, I mean, my timing was a little bit off, but you know, that's all right. So 716, 716, 713, 15s, 20s. So I'm looking for support. I'm looking for support. It's hard to say where the support is. And you know, like you see the volume, you see things picking up, but they come down again. Having a tough time getting a good read. So looking just a level 2 might not be the right choice here. So trying to see 30 seconds left on this candle. So if this candle wants to be aggressive to the downside, we might break 7, but you know, I want to see it go down under 7 and then come right back up over 7. So I know that shorts are actually committed to that breakdown, but they're gonna start to get caught. So here we go. Breakdown under 7. LGPS, the move here. Let's see what it wants to do. 17. Keep moving, keep moving. 23. LGPS. There's news. There are news here. So what it wants to do here. Open up finally. Would like to see this open up. 23. How well we hold that dip depends. How well do you hold this dip? 29. 23 is that low. So we're looking for this to hold that dip. And we continue to open up here. Wow. Now we have this range over 35 now. 40. 37. 'No new low. Holding here. There's imbalance. 33 is that low. So what do we do here? 37 to 33. Dang, this thing just keeps pushing, man. Yeah, it just keeps going and going. Let's see. I want to get a pullback, but none of these pullbacks really, I don't know, don't find them too attractive. I get this pullback under 50. 50 seems to be a very strong level. Hopefully, we will keep going after that. Or that might be it. Yep, that might be it. Just made its way to 50 and then crashed. Hmm. Watching this break of 30, you see if it reclaims 30 here. No. So imbalance here gets taken out, but I want to see it reclaim 30. Okay, here we go, reclaiming 30. I see you reclaim 30 with a little confidence. Nope. Got 30 reclaim right on this imbalance here. VEEE. Okay, here a new low. Could be interesting. 25. Big sellers though. Massive selling. New low. Break 25. Get over 25. All right, gets over 30 here now. So there's a seller, but this time it seems to be a little much stronger. Time seems to be a little more stronger. 30 here. Nice. 0 cent reclaim there of 30. Come on, brother. You can do it. Out. Nope. So taking that out pretty flat. Not doing it. Not quite doing it yet. VEE. I like this. I like that there. 860s, little dip. Back over 30. What's it gonna be? There it is. 24, 23. Making a new low. 22. Twenty-one. Twenty could be the spot. I think we had an imbalance here. It keeps coming down. So that area might be the spot, 20. All right, might get the first 1 minute candle to make a new high here. 24, 23. Candle to make a new high. Or the break under 20, then back over 20. Okay, new high over 27, basically around 30. Okay, here we go. New high over 26. Can we do it? Nice. 30. Can we get that burst of volume there? Let's see a little dip. 29. First 1 minute candle to make a new high. 10 seconds here. Maybe this new candle will bring volume, so it's setting up. Quite nice. Quite nice here. Slow, it's slow, it's slow, it's slow. 9, 28. Nothing, bro. First 1 minute candle to make a new high doesn't work. So looking to enter, but again, a red gap. Okay, so second time, it should have gone down here, pushed. Now we're gonna do it, it seems like. Now, if it reclaims 25, what is that, 26? Now it could actually do it because it comes with more aggression. So I'm gonna try to do it here because it should have failed. Short's committed to this bottom here, to this the end of this candle. So here, looking for this to give me what I'm looking for. There we go. Let's do it. So in there, 27. We're gonna keep it tight, 26 or something like that. 26 or 25. First 1 minute candle making new high. Let's try it one more time. Don't break 26. Don't break 26. Come on. There it is. Nice. So there you go. 30. Adding 30. Super committed to this trade. There it is. 33. 33. 34 sellers. Break 34. Waiting for this. Push. Come on, push, brother. Nothing, man. Come on. I wanted that squeeze. That squeeze. No squeeze. No squeeze yet. Wow. I'm gonna have to know. LGPS. Looks like it doesn't want to give up here over 33. I mean, now we got this algo maybe over 35. It's hard to say. 35 seems to be key area there. Let's see if I can get it. Here it is, 35. First 1 minute candle make a new high. Is that gonna be it? 36. Yeah, I'll get in here. Watching this. Needs to go there, needs to go, needs to go. Needs to go. Shorts are gonna get squeezed here. If it goes, shorts are gonna squeeze. There you go. 40. What a lame move, bro. Lame, 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 lame. All right, here we go. 30 seconds into this trade. We could get we might not even get a dip, so we might get this right away. What am I looking for is either a dip here in the tens, mid tens, or we might see this immediately through 12, 12.25, 12.50. So we gotta check this out. We gotta do this. So let me get one share out of the way just to be safe. Brother, nothing gets filled. Okay, I got filled actually. So one share filled me, but didn't like the fact that it went right away. So lucky, lucky, lucky share there. All right, so that worked. Immediate action, so 13. 13. Let's see what we're gonna get. If we get a dip and we hold third dipping, dipping. No. Extreme volatility down to 1150. Yikes. All right. Resumption coming up a little bit. So coming up flat now. Coming up flat. Oh, okay. 10:30 now to hold down. Hmm. Okay. Strange. Why why does it have to be that way? Of all the ways it can do. So it's just a battle here. Battle, nothing going on. So if you start seeing this thing over 13, we might take that breakout. 1340. It's gonna reject it. LGPS. Quite possibly a move here. It's tried to go down many times here. So it hasn't done it. Resistance there at 34. I'll see how well it reacts around here. Because I traded this and there was a lot of sellers. There were a lot of sellers. 34 there. Gap and go over 30. Yep, so sellers there sitting at 34. No, I'm not trading that. Not making that same mistake. Nice. Wow. Beautiful. I like this. 23 could be a good stop. It's a red gap. Ah, I don't know, man. Red gap. I want to play against a red gap. Nice play here. Missed it. There's a nice setup here. Over 28. We gotta see that. We gotta see this over 28. Minute candle, 1 minute candle to make a new high. First 1 minute candle to make a new high. There you go. 28. Let's see it. 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 Ain't at 29 high, but it's pushing though. It's pushing. There you go. New candle. Push, baby. Push. 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 Push, baby. Push. Needs to push. Didn't push. Okay. Fine. Fine. Good setup though. Alright. This is resuming in 30. Going against a red gap, so keeping it tight. So here we have a couple things. We have a halt, resuming 88. What do we got? 30 seconds. 15 seconds. I could take a dip in a rip and Cut it pretty tight. It's gonna be pretty tight. So I need to see a dip. I don't know about that one. 83, 79. Yeah, yeah. Thankfully, I got out right on time. Small loss there. Brutal price action. Yeah, it's not an easy one. I missed this 1 minute candle making you high. All right, we'll wait for the next setup. Something better. Maybe this could be good. This could be good, man. This could be good, but I need to see a dip. Target is right up there at 370s. We'll see how all this pullback is gonna hold. What's this low here? 312. Nice, it's not the worst. I could get it in the 20s. It's not the worst. 312 is not too far away. Oh, here we go. Now we got this one. Now we want to do it, huh? Over 25. Maybe could also do it. Watching two stocks. Here we go. Give a dip 27. Dip 27. 27, 27. Waiting for this to set up a nice trade. Waiting for the trade of the day here. Looking for this dip. Looking for this dip. It's below VWAP though, but I think we got a nice algo spike that could potentially give a boost for another move. I don't want to see it too early here. There it is, 26, 25. There it is, 19. Where do you get me filled? Oh my gosh, fill me already. That's crazy. All right, 24. Let's do it. Stop his break even. I think we could see this all the way through. Stop break even, entry 21, 29, 26, 28. Yeah. Come on, green, green, green. I need to see the volume here. Volume in here. It's gonna retest the low previous one was 18. It might retest 18. But looking for this to give me a push. Don't want to stop out too soon. So a red candle here, but holding 20s. Shorts who were aggressive on that push are still holding. They haven't stopped out yet. They're gonna start stopping out over 30. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. Out. Getting stopped out 16 on that. Aggressive push down. Aggressive move down, sadly. That was like immediate though. It gave me no time to react. And that sucks. So that was a 50 $50. Man, I was looking for that to build a nice move back to like 370. Could have been sweet. All right, we'll keep watching. It's still lingering. Went down as low as 306. Shorts probably got out of there. Maybe needs to retest 310 and get back over 310. I'll take it. Get back over 310. Get shorts out of there one more time. And then we will take it. Because shorts are being aggressive here right now. They're trying to push that over. Nice. I'll take it. 310. Let's do it. I'm gonna get cooked again. Looks like it doesn't want to do it there. Shoot. Shoot. All right, out. So tried it there, the reclaim. No, not gonna work. Hmm. Ah. That's crazy, bro. SOBR. SOBR. So I'm probably down. I'm probably on a lot. Man, that sucks. 30, 80, fudge. Not 100, 120. 120. 110. 120. 80. So down, let's say 70. Let's say 60. Down 60. Yeah, so down 60 and then 60 up to here. This is 60, 120, 60, flat, down 300, down 300. That's what you want. 18 better. That's what you want.
PLSM. LGPS. SOBR. TSUR. SOBR. LGPS. LGPS. SOBR. RGTZ. SOBR. RGTZ. PTO. Outside. SOBR. PLSM. Then I had to be outside. PFNO. CRM. SOBR. AUR. AGPS. PFNO.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 5 seconds looking for a dip. Dip, 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 dip. That's good enough. Mm. Almost got me on that one. Dang it, bro. Ah, come on. I'm off, bro. I'm off my game. It sucks. All right, well, I think I'm having better luck on this one. Let's see. Mm. Below this is 21. It might start moving here if it wants to do it. 23. 23 could be good for this gap and go here. But I need to see this volume come through here. I like the setup. Gap is forming. Are the algos going to start hitting this? That's the real question here. Nice. Now we need to see a dip. Let's try it again. Let's retest that. Let's retest it. Let's retest it. How well are you gonna retest?
Mm-hmm.
23. Only 23 in my hole, man. If it's gonna be one of those setups and never. Okay, here we go. 22. Still thinking about it. It's kind of slow. Volume is not the biggest. Gonna wait for it a little more. 22 was okay, I guess, but not really too ambitious on that dip. Okay, 10 seconds here. 14. Should I take it? 413. Bro, that's crazy, man. Now it wants to work much better. Um, Dang it. So there's a dip right there. 1333. 1337 is the low. But hold down. We can probably get a dip. 1324. Oh, it's just freaking going. Ripping right through. This is just too spreading, too crazy. Shorts might be starting to get stuck here. It might be adding. So we could see $20, you know? Man, that sucks. The thing about it is buying a dip on this, it could snap down pretty fast. Shorts might just be getting stuck here. So price action is kind of crap. So we did see a dip there, six down to 16, unless I took that. Yeah, I mean, that's the setup, but not an easy setup. All right, so what's the truth here? Our short's gonna be stuck. So we're gonna take a dip here. Stop 717, 1717, 1718. Trying to see where the dip is. Wow, there's a dip, but by the time I get in, I'm gonna get the worst freaking fill ever. Bro, you're joking, man. This might actually go right now. This might go. This might. It seems like it's gonna squeeze right now. Watching. Yeah, there it is. But it's just doing it such a terrible price action, bro. Wow. Finally, LGPS. Come on, man. Let's squeeze these guys. Let's squeeze these guys, please, brother. Come on, come on, come on. 22. 22's that low. 22's that low. Be impatient here. 26. 25. 25. Watching this pullback candle, how well it's going to hold. Then we have an area of a range. Then we have a range here. Went up to 28. A lot of volume on that candle. Let's see. Also, this one keeps going. This one is just attracting all the volume. Brother. Wonder if this is actually going to make a move as well. Dang. Hmm. There it is. So just want to take 1K here. Might not actually make a dip, so I have to be ready for the 1 minute candle making you high. There it is. So let's get in here. Aggressive, but let's see it. Come on, 31, 32. Push, man. Push, 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 push. Push. Lame, dude. That's so lame. Unable to push anything. Got on that 1 minute candle. First 1 minute candle making you high. Rejecting there. Not pushing. We'll see. Wow. Okay, now this is actually gonna go here now. There's a really strong force holding this thing down, man. It's not ideal that it's not going, but it's not ideal that it's going this way. Spike, rejection. Spike, rejection. All right. All right, here we go. Let's see. I want to see if this can give a nice dip under 20 and then a push higher. We'll see how well this is going to work out. Um, Dip under 19. 1860. Ooh, that was a kind of a crazy dip. Let's see if we can get another one. Man, the thing just happened so fast, bro. You better dip. Come on. This price action was absolutely horrible. Man, I mean, I guess you can say there was the 1860s. Yeah, we're just gonna watch this. This is way too extended for me. One, two, resuming after the second hold. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? 22, 24. Need to see a dip. Another 85. That would be my only way I'm getting on this. So looking for a fat drop. No, no. Not feeling that. So it's too well, it's too high. Resumed. I hold one. It's hard to say. Mm, Well, I mean, it's squeezing, but yeah, we'll see. I'll wait. There's 1 minute candle to make a new high here, closing that gap. We'll see here. Could fail. Could fail. Could fail. Let's see. Oh, 05. Oh, 07. Oh, 08. A lot of volume coming in here. Oh, 08. Had to go there. Could still go. Taking its time, but a lot being fought here. A lot being fought in this at this level. What's it gonna be? Oh, no, there. Oh, 07. Ooh, nice. Back to 09, 08. Choppy breakout. Choppy. Okay, now we're gonna do it here. Now we're coming with a little more strength. See if we can get it. See if we can get it. New minute. Let's do it. Mm, nice. Let's do it. 12. Push, 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 push. 13. I'll get out right there. 9 to 12. I'll get out. Get a little bit. I'm not convinced on that push. You know, we've tried the same setup many times today. They're not playing out as you'd expect, or at least when I'm taking them, they're not playing out. It's still holding. So the reason why I took that one is we had an imbalance here, gap and go. Shorts added here, couldn't break one. New candle to make a new high, first candle to make a new high. Boom, gap and go, let's go. But it's not going yet, so it's still sort of lingering. 12, 13 having so much trouble. So much trouble. All right, there you go. Now it's going over 13. Is it gonna start opening up here? Quite possibly. Nope. Rejection. Okay, one more time. Hmm. No, I'll wait. Here we go. LGPS. What do you got going on here, LGPS? So we could make something really quick here. 22. 20 is that low. Let's see. Let's see. 21. I'll get in here 21, 22 with a tight stop. Hopefully this is a good indication of buyers stepping in here. Hopefully I'm not too early on this. Immediately gets shut down. Might be in too early. I'm kind of trading a little too much. I should have given it more time. But I was thinking it might happen very quickly, so next candle. Okay, here we go. I thought it froze. I don't make that froze. If we see 19, I gotta get out. If we break 20, I gotta get out. But hopefully here, start breaking 20. Oh, nice. Nice. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. 23, 24. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Good. Oh my gosh. Nice. 32. Taking some off right there. Come on. Back over 30. Back over 30. Back over 30. A few shorts got squeezed there. They're re-adding, so 25 seems to be settling. Come on. Push. Push, 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 push. Still holding. Still holding the rest. Thinking we're gonna get one nice candle here, one more. Mm, I think so. It's slowing down. It's on 200. Only 200 now. Next candle needs to go here. 8 seconds. Mm, honestly, I had to go there, so I'm gonna take it out. Ah, whatever. Too slow. Got a little bit. LGPS might have a random spike here. Let's see. Can I buy this? Next candle. Here we go. It might be a random spike, but we'll see. Still waiting, still waiting. Volume is super light. SOBR as well. What's the plan? Okay, here we go. So it's failing to come down. So what do we got here? Will this be something quick? Are you going to linger around here? 24 by 25. 23. It's volume. It's volume. Oh, look at that. Okay, just as I said that, volume came in. It's just you're gonna get destroyed on this if it actually goes. Oh, man. Still waiting. I like it. I like it. Should have failed here. I had 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes to fail. They didn't do it. Spike there. 24 the low. Another spike there at the end of that candle. Here we're gonna assume 39. I could take a dip in the rig here, man. Why not? Why not? Let's see. We're assuming 39. I think we're gonna see 150. So I'm gonna take it here. A dip. I'm gonna move towards 150. Dip, hopefully, nice dip. So 1 minute. Oh wow. We're assuming much higher now. 44. Dip under 40, please. Dip under 40. Taking that 38. Not quite, not quite, not quite, not quite. Tried at 38. I think it's exhausted. Okay, here we go. First 1 minute candle making you high over 27. All eyes on LGPS. Over 27. 25. 23 is a slow. We could get a dip and then a reclaim. Or we'll try that instead. Reclaim 30? No, I don't think so. Here we go. 23. Double top. Oh, right away. Right away. Nice pop. Uh, Just wait for the 1 minute candle to make a new high just to guarantee the momentum is going to come in. Yeah, so 23. So that's 23, 24. We'll see. Wow, so this thing is actually going to turn around and hold. All right, I'm taking this hold. It's incredible. All right, here we go. 50 seconds. Okay, let's do it. So we're looking for a dip under 40. Dip under 40. Seeing how well this is going to react. There it is, 33. 35. Still holding 32. And out flat. So choppy, bro. Incredibly choppy. 33. 32. Weirdly strong, but that's what you are. So looking for that. Not 47. I'll go start hitting it at 40. Boom, now it's 50. 52. Are we actually going to keep going here? 44, 43. 32 there. All right, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna try it. It's at the highs. All right, I'm gonna call it here. We're gonna be down to, all right, one more time. Down 239, 238. Oh, yeah, I couldn't get it off the ground today. Immediately, the first trade of the day. I mean, I'm down to 150 on this. God, it was such a great gap on go, man. And it's just not sorry. 1 minute fair value gap. It just failed on me. Just absolutely failed on me. Down 158, right on that. And then every trade after that just did not feel strong. Oh, this one. Not getting the bottom, fine, stopping out, doing it again, and then missing like $2 per share on this pop. What is going on with me? This is something I gotta understand the risk that I'm taking. I understand that I'm at the worst case, I might be stopping out like 660, 650. That's the worst case. The best case, I'm seeing this thing back to that, at least back to VWAP. So I either buy a little bit and continue to buy, or have a different game plan. Then try to hear the dip. I mean, I got smoked. Even with 200 shares, I got smoked. I didn't like that. So by then I was like already down 263, and I'm thinking, oh my gosh, what a miserable day we're gonna have. Then we go to LGPS, which I find a first 1 minute candle to make a new high, add in there 30, out 33, 31, and the rest 27. Quick $60. Okay, now we got a good day, maybe perhaps coming back. Perhaps have a good day after, bad start. And then LGPS again, not doing it. And LGPS again, trying it one more time. Tried it again here, didn't work. Then had a really good run here. Stop is break of 20, it actually popped, so out 29, 25, and yeah, 25. So nice little trade there. So that's how we managed to get it back to negative 230. So whatever, man. It's gonna be kind of those very slow Mondays, and we're down 800 on the month still. Still early in the week. Hopefully tomorrow we get a nice green day. Actually, there were a few trades on SOBR that I actually want to go over. So this one, what about this? There's one before this. Yeah, I tried to go for this one. Out 12, it was so heavy, man. And it kind of lingered around and they made a move to 23. So I don't know. It was not it. For me, it had to go right there and it just kind of kept grinding. And that's not the price action I like to see. Then was VEE, this one. The dip and rips haven't been working as strong in this market right now. Tried one there and then tried another one here. This one I butchered so bad, brother. Oh my gosh. But the price action was not clean though. Like I'm buying it here, I see it, and I see it come down again, and I'm just thinking, man, I'm gonna get caught. And I'll be stopping now at 12, so I need to get out of there. Ah, it's not clean. It's not clean at all. Uh, Accuracy, nothing new. 40% as always. Yeah, the stats don't look great. All right. Anyway, so time to get back to flat on the month, and then we're gonna think about getting green. So first is capturing those, having a good strong week, and then building next week and the week after that. Yeah, not giving up. 800 is nothing. It's really nothing. Last month we did 2K. This month I think we can do 2K. We just gotta take it. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. We're starting from red, so don't want this month to be red. All right. So anyway, come over to Mr. Profit 7-day free trial, free trading analysis tool. Upload your file. You get instant results. The data never stored. You need to sign up. 100% free. If you upload it, you'll get this view, just this view right here. You're able to see all of your stats, so go check it out. We got testimonials from really awesome users. $5 a month, 50 a year. It's the best platform out there. Come, let's chat on Discord, and I will see you tomorrow.